you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a hot minute, and I know I said that in my last grocery haul, but it has. I haven't filmed like a long form video literally in 9 weeks since I had my surgery. It has been an up and down roller coaster, and I have been posting to my stories and stuff like that on Instagram and posting my surgery content on TikTok. So if you guys want to go follow me over there and kind of keep up, then you can. I don't know if you guys want me to post some of that in YouTube shorts, let me know. And I don't know what all I can post here on YouTube about my surgery journey, but I'm posting all of it over on TikTok. I'm officially 9 weeks this week, and I feel like I'm like getting my groove back. So one day is good and then up, and then the next day not so much. So it definitely has been a roller coaster, but like I said, I detail all of that in the videos that are over on TikTok. So if you guys are wanting to see that, then go check it out. But today I wanted to bring you guys along while I just get some stuff prepped for the week. I have a tiny little grocery haul from BJ's because we are trying to go through the pantry and both of our freezers to kind of use up what we have. And I was able to build a meal plan off of that and then just get like a few odds and ends. So I'm going to show you that stuff really quick, and then we're going to meal prep up a lunch, and I'll kind of give you guys a brief update about where we are 9 weeks post-op. And if you're brand new here and have no idea who I am, what's up? I'm Jen. I share all things food, fitness, in anything I do to level up my own life with you guys in hopes to inspire and motivate you to do the same. So if that sounds like your jam, make sure to subscribe before we jump into today's video. Here's our quick little grocery haul from BJ's this week. Got a couple packs of blueberries because little guy has been flying through these babies. Probably should have got 3. Got some chunky pico salsa for some meal prep this week. Of course, repeat purchase Fairlife shakes we have to get every single week. Got some syrup for the kids, some apples, Mexican style cheese, mac and cheese for the kiddos. Got a humongous bag of light brown sugar. Like, this thing's going to last forever. We got some 93% lean ground turkey. Got a ton of bread. Didn't actually mean to do this. I had added this in the cart first, and then I saw the butter bread, which is what the kids like more, and forgot to take that one out of the cart. So we ended up with a shit ton of bread, but we'll go through it. And then a couple huge bags of the tortillas, because we just can't keep these on hand. They fly through them. But that's all the goodies that we have this week. We are eating mostly out of the stuff that we already have out of the freezer, just trying to go through some stuff in the pantry. So didn't need a ton of stuff, just a few staples to keep us rocking through the week. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this super easy, delicious meal prep. You guys know I love a good taco bowl, fiesta bowl, so that's what we're doing. We're doing a beef taco fiesta bowl, whatever you want to call it. Super easy. I've got some lean ground beef here that I'm getting ready to brown up. I still have to watch my sodium, so I have to go really light on the seasonings, but we are going to add some taco seasoning. And then I love this extra fancy fajita seasoning. Got this at Walmart. Going to add a little bit of that in there. Just try to go a little bit lighter, but I watch my sodium all throughout the day. So far I've been doing pretty good on that. I will tell you one thing I've noticed post-surgery is how insanely packed with sodium literally everything is. Things that you wouldn't even think are. You guys know that I've been on this health and wellness journey for years. I know about nutrition labels. I am a nutrition coach, fitness trainer, all of the things, but I never really paid attention to sodium. And now that I have been forced to pay attention to sodium, I'm like, holy hot tamale. Literally everything is jam-packed with it. But we're going to go minimal on the seasonings. I'm going to start browning this meat up, and then I will show you what else we're going to do next while this is starting to brown. All right, guys, here I have the little Potato Company potatoes. You guys know I love these. I normally do sweet potatoes with this, but I don't have any sweet potatoes, and like I said, I want to use up what we already have in the pantry, and we already had a whole bag of these that I need to go ahead and use up, and they're awesome. They cook up really good in the air fryer. So I'm just gonna half or quarter them while we sit here and chat, and then we're gonna throw these babies in the air fryer to cook up. And I'm gonna do a little bit of that fajita seasoning on these as well, just for a little something something. They do have some salt-free seasonings, and I did end up getting some of those, but they just don't do the trick. Cooking without salt is literally criminal for food. I will say that, but we are making do, and we're trying to keep that swelling at a minimum because it's a massive surgery. If you have no idea what I had done, go back a few videos ago, or I'll link it up above here so that you can get caught up. Because it's a massive surgery, if you breathe wrong, you're going to swell for like weeks and weeks, months. It could be up to a year with swelling. And so I knew that going in. And there's a lot that I didn't expect. I will say that. I have talked about it a lot in the videos that are going up on TikTok, but it was definitely way more intense than I ever anticipated. I thought I would be up and grooving and moving in a week, and that was definitely not the case. I couldn't stand up straight or walk normal for 5 weeks. At one point, I was convinced and told my husband, I don't think I'll ever walk straight again. Like, it was just so tight, and I could not stand up straight for the life of me. So being able to like move freely now is so much better. And I am cleared for body weight, lower body workouts, no upper body and no weights, no core workouts whatsoever. But I can do body weight, lower body, and I did my first workout this week and it felt really good. So I am so excited for my comeback. I literally can't even explain to you how much I miss working out, how much it helps me mentally, physically, energetically, literally everything. And such a huge part of my life if you guys have been around here for a hot minute, and I need it back in my life. So I can't wait to get back into the routine of regularly working out and just rebuilding my core strength. I have no core stability right now. Even like relearning my like posture with my core actually working is a feat in and of its own, but I am so excited to do it. And I should be cleared for regular like full workouts at my 12-week appointment, which is like right after we are starting the next 8-week challenge, and I am so freaking pumped. So I will be able to have my comeback with my girls, and I am so freaking pumped. If you are looking for something to help hold you accountable, help you build consistency, help work on your habits, your mindset, just change your lifestyle overall, it is not just a fat loss program, because everything is won or lost up here. So we focus heavily on mindset, behavior change, lifestyle habits. It's literally so awesome. These groups are so good. So even if you're on a GLP-1 and already losing weight, but you want to learn the habits and the lifestyle that will help accelerate that and maintain it if and when you stop taking it, and also so that you don't end up looking like a popped balloon when you're done, just a skin suit hanging on your bones. You want to be able to build your body composition the right way as you are losing fat, then this program is definitely for you. And the camaraderie and the team aspect of it, with the motivation and inspiration from everybody else trying to pursue and better their life in, like I said, more ways than one, because this has transfer in every other area of your life. You will 100% take away different mindset shifts and perspective shifts and habits and things that will help boost all the other areas of your life. So can't recommend it enough. We are kicking off on January 26th, and I offer payment plans on my website. So if you are wanting to check that out or have any other questions about it, then definitely jump in. I'm actually just finishing up the program. I've been working on it a couple weeks of the workout program, which if you're brand new, you can do this. If you're only working out at home, body weight, dumbbells in the gym, I'm also working mobility into the program so that you don't have to have like separate mobility workouts, because it really should be intertwined with your strength training to get the best results, and to not be just lifting weight and still aching and pain and everything else. If you're hurting in certain areas, that's your body telling you that you need to do something. And normally the cause of it is mobility. And so you want to strengthen in the right way and work in some mobility throughout the week without having to do hours and hours and hours upon hours. So I am building that right into the workout program. It's going to be killer. Also getting stuff for the swag boxes, which is always fun. But my point in even saying that is my 12-week appointment is like that week that we start. And so I should be cleared for everything when I go. And I'm so freaking excited, because I will be getting after it right with you guys and be building back everything from the ground up. And I am super freaking pumped. I did get cleared for the sauna just this week as well, which you guys already know if you've been around here for a hot minute. My love relationship with the sauna. Only can do like 10, maybe 15 minutes at like a lower heat, just as I build up and make sure that it doesn't affect my swelling and all of that jazz. But so far so good. chef's kiss and couldn't be more pumped. But let's get these potatoes in the air fryer. I've got my parchment paper down there. I get these off of Amazon. I will link those down below, or they're always linked in my Amazon store. So we're just gonna toss these babies right in, spread them out a little bit. We're gonna hit them with a spray of avocado oil. I'm gonna shake those babies around, put some of this fajita seasoning on them, and then pop them in there at 400 for probably about 15-20 minutes. I'll check them, toss them halfway through. We're gonna pop these babies right in. All right, so we have 5 ounces of the ground beef in each of our glass meal prep containers, which I love. I have these, I believe, linked in my Amazon store as well. And then I have one here with all the leftover ground beef. That way, if one day throughout the week I want to have a wrap, or I want to throw it on some tortilla chips and make some nachos, and I'm just feeling something different, then I have that option. Or if the family wants to make something with it, then they can. But I made up 4, or I am making up 4 of the beef fiesta taco bowls. Have our potatoes done here. I am going to divvy those out into the 4, and then I'm going to top it with some of this pico. I got a big old jar of this from BJ's that you guys just saw. And then normally when I do my taco bowls, I usually put this queso sauce that I get from Target and just squeeze that on top. But I found some of this creamy chipotle sauce, and y'all, it is 10 out of 10 bomb.com. So that's what I'm going to be putting on top, and I'll show you that once I get these babies made up. I mean, the color is not even coming off on camera properly, but how gorgeous do these babies look. And, you know, sometimes I do these with the mango peach salsa, which is also delicious, but I saw somebody do the pico on, I think it was IG, and I was like, oh my gosh, with that creamy chipotle sauce, and I was like, definitely got to give that combo a try. And I did it, and I did it with sweet potatoes last time, and it's 10 out of 10 delicious. But that queso sauce is also really good. Mango peach is really good. Sometimes I do these with ground turkey, which is also killer. But the ground turkey that I have, again, trying to use up for dinners, I'm going to be making my sweet potato hash with that, which is in my cookbook. And I have a ton of these other bowls and stuff in my cookbook. If you guys haven't snagged that, it's always linked down below. Definitely a ton of high protein, macro friendly, easy meals that don't take a ton of time or ingredients in the kitchen. So if you haven't snagged that up, definitely do it. But this is going to be our meal prep for the week. You guys saw I tried to do watermelon. I have not had good luck with watermelon for a hot minute now. Every one that I get, when I open it, it's just blah inside. That one was like soft and mushy. I can't. So straight in the garbage it went. Womp womp. I'm gonna have to give up on watermelon until it's back in season, I guess. But it's literally one of my most favorite things. I freaking love it, and they have just all been a dud. So we will forego the watermelon for a minute. I have been on an orange kick lately also, getting all that vitamin C in. But that will do it for this week's video. Just a quick little update, meal prep action for you guys, little grocery haul. If you guys do want to see some of the short form content of my post-op journey here on YouTube, let me know down in the comments below. It is much easier to film and edit short form content and just kind of get that up quicker, especially as I'm starting to get back in the groove. I wasn't doing any editing or anything. All my mental and physical energy was going into healing. And so I'm feeling like I'm getting back on the ball with that though. So if you guys are wanting to see some of that over here, then definitely let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you are wanting to get locked in with us come January 26th. Make sure that you snag your spot. Get in there. I already have a bunch of my ladies signing up. I'm so freaking pumped. These groups are not just fat loss groups. They are teetotal everything. They're everything I wish I had when I first started my health and wellness journey, plus some, because I have learned so much and I try to pour all of that into you guys. So payment plans, all of that good jazz on my website, inwithjen.com, all linked down below. But I love you guys to pieces. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up before you go. Share it with anybody else you think it may be helpful to. Also make sure to smash that subscribe button and become part of the fam here on YouTube with us so that you don't miss out on any of the future videos coming. And I will catch you in the next video.